The tsunami claimed almost 300,000 human lives. Yet in all the parts of Thailand, Sri Lanka and other areas destroyed by the tsunami, not a single animal that was free to move lost its life. Was it the approaching tidal wave they sensed? Or did they feel the sea quake 2 hours before, with its epicenter hundreds of kilometers away in Indonesia? How did they do it? Is it simply instinct, or are there physical or even chemical stimuli they respond to? Phuket Island, South Thailand. The tsunami hit the island's western coast at 10 a.m. An earthquake had cracked open the seabed of Indonesia's Sumatra island 2 hours before. But as early as 7 a.m., something out of the ordinary was happening on the roof of Phuket's Orchid Hotel.
It's the noisy from the dog from the rooftop. You put the dog there, they run around. I heard that, and then I sit here, have an earthquake on the 8 o'clock something.